The interplay of gender and other relevant diversity within scaling pathways is essential to realising successful development outcomes, such as gender equality and social empowerment. Gender is a dimension of diversity that is especially relevant in the context of agriculture and sustainable development. Gender cuts across other dimensions of diversity. In other words, it intersects with other characterizations and segmentations of groups of people, such as ethnicity, religion, and family size. When we discover that these factors are relevant in relation to our scaling ambition, it is important to dig deeper and explore how this may intersect with gender. If migrant farmers face special constraints in using soil fertility innovations, how does this differ for men and women in the same households? Do women migrant farmers face the same constraints as men, and can they benefit from the same solutions, or do we need to differentiate? Similarly, if larger households are likely to be less interested in labour-saving technologies, is there a possibility that women in such households have different experiences, views, and opinions than men? Are there reasons why these technologies should still be considered beneficial, even if households as a whole have sufficient labour? Can they, for example, reduce drudgery on tasks that are commonly allocated to girls? When aiming to be gender responsible, it is important that we consider these types of intersectionality. Therefore, when scaling any innovation, it is important to explore the relevance of gender in relation to any other dimension of diversity that you discover. Subsequently, we can start thinking about how different types of innovation packages are needed to ensure that various groups can benefit from innovations. The example table in the graphics below can help you to consider relevant diversity and intersectionality. As you can see, not having access to land or wealth, while having the burden of extra responsibilities, can have differing negative consequences for some individuals.